Hello guys, it's for review for my Ray-Ban. Got it last week from eBay. Here, Ray-Ban. Wait, there. Saw it? I don't know what this is, but I think this is for cleaning my lens. But wait, it's Outdoorsman. I think it's an Outdoorsman. I'm not sure. No. Here's it. It's a little bit big, but my mom said I'm gonna wear this, I think, when I'm 13 years old. Now I'm 12. 1 year more. There, it's my Ray-Ban. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, VJLM701. Thanks.